Hi, I'm Toby from Metalog, and today I'm going to show you how SmartMarble works. The challenge. Two teams working independently from each other, each have the task to build the identical SmartMarble track. The goal is not only for the tracks to look the same, but for the marbles to take the same amount of time to travel through the tracks. Each team heads off to their own room with identical materials and a tight deadline. This challenge calls for excellent ideas and clear communication. Both groups dive right in, and before long, two very different constructions take shape. Now it's time for the ambassadors. They meet in a separate space to agree on a shared design. And this is when reality hits. Some of them will have to abandon and dismantle their carefully built designs. Instead, they work together to follow their new joint blueprint. It usually takes a few rounds of ambassador meetings to get the tubing just right. After all, the goal is for the marbles to roll through in exactly the same amount of time. Success, the designs match. But the big question is, how long will the marbles take? Wow, and how can we use that? And remember, the only limit is your creativity. Okay, just a few tips to finish off. If you've got groups between 20 and 30 people, I recommend using 2 SmartMarble sets, that is 4 SmartMarble kits altogether. You can also make them communicate in a different way. For example, let them make telephone calls or video calls. And if they do video calls, just make sure that they don't show each other their constructions. And try giving them a time limit of 10 minutes, which they can then divide in smaller chunks and manage themselves. Give it a try, it really works well.